Demonstrative adjectives in Spanish are words that point out specific things or people. In English, these are this, that, these, those. But in Spanish, they can change based on distance, gender, and number. In essence, Spanish has 3 levels of distance. Este, this near me. Ese, that near you. And aquel, that over there. Considering adjectives, these describe a noun and always match its gender and number. Este, esta, estos, estas. Ese, esa, esos, esas. Aquel, aquella, aquellos, aquellas. The key idea is that adjectives come before nouns and agree with them. Some examples are este libro, esa casa, aquellos chicos. All of these are adjectives, and they're not to be confused with pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns replace nouns entirely, and they have the same form as adjectives, with accents. Este, this one. Ese, that one. Aquel, that one over there. As a grammatical rule, the accent marks on este, ese, and aquel distinguish pronouns from adjectives. However, in modern Spanish, this rule is no longer necessary in most of the Spanish-speaking world. Often, a word like este is sufficient in saying this or this one, depending on context. In other words, demonstrative pronouns take the same form as adjectives, but they replace nouns without the need for accents. Some examples are quiero este, prefiero esos, aquella es bonita. At the same time, Spanish also has neuter demonstratives. Esto, eso, aquello. Such words are used for unknown or abstract things. They can never be plural, they're not used with nouns, and they have no gender. They simply point to unknown ideas, like ¿Qué es esto? Eso no me gusta. Aquello es difícil. The key differences between adjectives and pronouns are that adjectives come before nouns, but pronouns replace them. In practical speech, ese is used much more often, while aquel is more formal and is needed for emphasis. Additionally, demonstratives can be used with time ideas, like saying este año, ese día, aquellos tiempos. Esto significa. Eso es verdad. When speaking Spanish, it's important to consider the natural use of demonstratives, because each one has its own function, such as distance, gender, number, pronouns, and accents. So, this is how demonstrative adjectives and pronouns fully work in Spanish.